I have just taken a shower and randomly decided to go to the city Peshawar. I just booked a drive on the app InDrive, and the driver should be here within 10 minutes. Let's go. Yes guys, as you can see, I have been invited by the driver.
This we make in home.
We've got some fresh bread, rice, dal. And this?
Thorai. Vegetable. Like first we thorai.
Thorai.
All these things we made in home.
Chutney.
Chutney.
Tomato chutney.
Looks like we call it charmila.
This is
Yogurt. Yogurt.
Yes, yogurt.
Okay guys, it's time for some green tea with natural sugar. Look at this. Apparently, you take a bite and then you take a sip of the tea. It was a beautiful, unplanned lunch. And Naseem's driver is gonna show me the old town. Let's go. As you may already know, Peshawar is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in South Asia. And right here you can see the Bala Hissar Fort, which is at least 2000 years old. It has been used by the Afghanis, the Mughals, the British, and right now it is used as a military headquarters. Unfortunately, you cannot enter, but just driving here is so amazing. We have arrived at Namak Mandi, a 500-year-old market which used to be a salt market, and Naseem is gonna show me the Gemstone area, which started somewhere in the 1970s. Welcome at the Hamza market. As you can see, these people are working on gemstones, and basically each shop has its own work. We have a cutter up here, and this is the shop of the brother of the driver. Beautiful. What a reception, guys. They just gave me this as a gift. I guess I'm part of the tribe now. Naseem's brother is gonna give me a masterclass right now.
We can call him Micah, and this is Christian. See, this is also aquamarine, but this is cut stones.
4 or 5 crystal combined in one crystal. It's found in Africa, Skardu, Afghanistan.
Okay.
But the most expensive and good quality stones come from Skardu, Pakistan.
Where in Africa?
In Africa, Nigeria.
Nigeria.
This is called peridot, facet grade peridot. It's also found in Pakistan. So this is maybe 1 gram. When we cut this, it will be 2 or 3 carat. This is called blue topaz.
Blue topaz.
It's also found in Africa.
Okay. What's your favorite?
My favorite is this one.
The double color.
Yeah, bicolor tourmaline.
Yeah, very nice.
Big and clean piece.
We're gonna check out another shop. Beautiful. And these are sold like this?
Yeah, these are for stones, but I don't know about it because we don't work in this, so that is why.
Okay. Totally different material.
Yeah, actually everyone has their own business and their own mindset.
Look
So
at that shirt.
every stones, firstly they are in rough, so then you can cut it, what we can say for rings, etc., for balls, etc.
Okay. Very nice.
Much more people here. They are selling and buying stones, etc.
And who benefits the most of this business, like the seller or?
Both of them, bro. Yeah. Actually, nowadays I'm also learning. I'm doing business with younger brother. His name is Emil. In the shop. So a year ago I came here, and now alhamdulillah I feel better and now very well. Some of stones are ruby, peridot, moissanite, emerald, etc., amethyst, etc.
All natural? Or some of them?
No, some of them are glass filled and some of them are natural.
Very busy.
Yeah. This place is also famous for Ishan shop because they don't have their own what we can say shop, so that is why they are here.
It's also cheaper to buy it on the street?
Yeah, why not?
So many actually.
So many. Actually, this is
Look at this, guys.
famous place in Asia called Gemstones. Look at that, bro. This is emerald specimen from Swat, Pakistan. Natural, it is natural.
It has Pakistan color.
Yeah, Pakistani. But also it's come from Afghanistan too. But it is from Pakistan.
Very nice. So guys, if you want to order something, just let me know. We can arrange something together. The good thing is the transportation cost must be quite low because it's
Yeah.
The traffic
Easy to
rules are
pack.
very poor, very poor.
Actually, there are many people who don't follow the rules and regulation of the government side. So that is why there are many problems of transportation, traffic, etc. You can see this is the road. People watch it.
What is this?
This is rubber.
Okay. They're gonna melt it or
Yeah, I
make
think.
something new out of
Yeah.
it.
बालून में तो इनको गुब्बार होता है.
So this used to be a tire and they made a basket out of it.
Yeah. Also they cut
This
it.
for animal food.
Yes, guys, if you look closely, this street also has a lot of handmade stuff. Got some carpets over here. We've got some shops selling handmade shoes over here. Nothing but hard-working people, guys. So far, I cannot see any danger in this city. Even the dogs look so chill. Yes, guys, some fresh sugar cane. Even the bees like it, as you can see. Some huge bees and wasps. Fresh dried food. I believe most of them come from Afghanistan. Most of this come from Afghanistan, I think, right?
Yeah, mostly.
Some bananas.
Bananas for rice foods, mostly.
One of the most popular Nisar Charsi Tikka. We've got the butcher up here. We've got some firework over here. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام أهلين
How are you? كيف حالك?
زين تمام شو أخبار؟
Professionals at work.
لهم قري
You've heard it, guys. Let's continue.
أنا برضو
What do you got?
आर्डर मोर को زي ما تشوف.
This pen is famous. Nisar Charsi.
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. كيف الحال؟ How are you? Good? This apparently is one of the most famous.
Most famous person in the world.
Okay.
Not in Peshawar.
Yeah. Very good. So this
Nisar
address.
Charsi Tikka A1.
Look at this. Looks a little bit like cutlets. Some people enjoying like there's no tomorrow.
Pakistan, Peshawar.